Cheer Bear. Singing, you're cool. Are you ready for a sing-along? This is one of my favorites. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Steven?
What?
Can you just like I don't know how to
Tell
say
that fat bitch to leave because
Beat
she's
it,
pretty
chick.
annoying.
it. Yeah.
It's me, Cheer Bear.
That was easy.
It's me.
Shut the fuck up!
Okay then.
Does she only say like the same like 4
Yes.
words and then just like sings a song?
Yes.
Good.
Why do you like that?
Yeah.
Listen, my goal was just to hit, and I completed that goal. So yeah, I have no idea.
I like Steven better when he was into men.
Yeah, so did I.
Anyway, so what are we gonna do today?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, we can go bother Chef Wee Wee. I mean, we haven't seen him in a while, you know.
Yeah, but
It's been a little bit.
yeah, we could have watched Breaking Bad.
Nah, that's stupid.
Let's go bother Chef.
Yeah, let's go
Okay.
bother Chef Wee Wee.
That's some good coffee. I love my new coffee maker. I do have to use the bathroom a little bit. I'm just gonna.
Alright. Ooh, what is it? Do you want to take it? Oh, that's definitely Death Wish coffee. Just grab it. Come on. Okay. Grab it. I'll grab this. I'll grab these. Grab the coffee maker.
What a good piss. Get the fuck out of here. You son of a... You broke my shit!
Weird. What even is that? Like, what was Chef? What? Steven, you got it?
Yeah. Nah. Alright. Looks like a coffee maker.
Produces coffee like a coffee maker.
Yes, indeed. Very, very descriptive of that. Yes. It is a functioning coffee maker.
Well, what happens when we drink coffee?
You fucking drink coffee?
You get
Probably
energy.
shit out of both ends?
That's kind of weird. I mean, do we even want to drink this?
I mean, I kind of want to try it.
I don't drink coffee.
Go ahead, I guess. I'll try it. Pour some for me, Junior.
Alright.
Yeah.
Don't spill it.
Yeah, shut up, Steven.
That is not coffee. That is Coca-Cola.
No,
or
it's coffee.
or something without alcohol, because
Hold on. Why are you drinking like just black coffee?
It's Death Wish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
and it kind of looks like he put either Coke or alcohol in it because it's
Kind of looks
foaming.
like craft beer.
Maybe.
Looks more like Coke.
Steven, if you don't shut the fuck up.
It looks like Coke mixed with black coffee.
No, I think it's just...
Anyway, I'm just gonna drink this.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, this time drink it. Okay, I'll hold on to this.
Do you feel that?
Okay, I'll also hold on to this.
Steven, you should really try to think of that.
Jesus Christ,
Yeah.
you both are fucking lightweights.
I mean, you should.
I gotta go for a run. I'll be right back.
God damn! No, is it that? Like,
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm back.
Jesus
What I miss?
Christ. You missed nothing. I took a sip. I don't feel any different.
I went to Mississippi. I feel amazing.
What the
Why? How did you get to Mississippi?
Ran.
Mississippi is like in the south.
It doesn't even make sense. Just drink more, maybe.
I ran.
Just drink a bunch, you know? Just more and more and more.
It doesn't even taste
Just
that
drink
good.
more.
Drink the coffee.
You drink more.
Gotta drink it.
Go on, Steven,
Oh
drink
my
more.
God.
Drink more.
You take it.
Yeah, you got this, Steven. Drink it.
Jesus, I need to get away from you guys. So fucking. Freddy!
Oh,
You see this?
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh.
Oh. Have you seen this?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
So then why are you dancing over it? You know what? Why about that? What the fuck is it? To my goddamn coffee maker!
Wait, turn the song up. I really like this one.
What?
Junior. Wait, Junior.
What?
There's no song.
Yeah, there's my knife
Cotton Eye Joe is just playing, I swear.
and your fucking life in danger. What happened?
I think we got like drunk off of.
You have 10 seconds to explain before I run this across your fucking eyes.
I think we got drunk off of your coffee. I don't know if you put alcohol in it, but
I didn't.
I
It's
think
Death Wish coffee. It's just black coffee.
I think we died because
Yeah. We said, bitch, I'm a ghost. I could go off days.
Time's up. Freddy, lay down.
It's not sharpened.
yeah, we're just gonna go back to the couch.
Freddy,
have
lay down.
fun. Bye.
Freddy, lay down.
Yeah, see ya.
At least I had that one piece.
What happened?
I don't know, but it smells like coffee down here.
That's a good time. Oh, we need Advil.
Oh,
I'm just gonna...
I don't even know how we like
I'm just gonna
did that.
close my eyes.
Like, everything's broken over there.
I didn't even know you had a hammer down here.
Me neither.
What?
There was a hammer.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
I'm gonna close
apparently.
my eyes. Close my eyes for a few seconds.
Yeah.
My sweet coffee maker. It's the last piece I have of